Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles east of Erin, or near Sladen, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cunningham, Cheatham, Van Leer, and Pleasant View. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 9 and 16. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cunningham, Cheatham, Van Leer, and Pleasant View. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 9 and 16. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
That was the first tornado warning of the night, issued by Nashville. Oh, and guys, first alert I ever got in 1080p fidelity, thanks to my phone. And I'm not the only one who witnessed me get that alert. Over here is my bun buggy. Little Miss... Oh my god. That's just so cute. Little Miss Devious, everyone, subscribe to her. Because she deserves the love. She deserves all the love she can get. But there it is right there. OHX issues tornado warning. Tornado radar indicated. Hail 0.00 inches for Cheatham, Dixon, and Montgomery until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. And what do you say?
I recorded it too.
Let's take a look at the storm. Oh yeah, right there. There's the cluster of storms right over there. I caught it on WSM AM and WLAC AM. And there is a TVS of a 5. There's a TVS of a 5 near Bowling Green, which I also have my eyes on. Because I think...
That's a maybe.
Huh?
I said that's a maybe.
Possibly, yeah, it is a maybe. But this is a... I had a feeling Nashville would issue a tornado warning. Davidson County, Tennessee. Tornado warning.
And other special guests. Tickets are on sale now at Ryman.com.
Are you ready, Bubble Buggy?
Visit Christmas for Kids.
Thank you, Nashville.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for north central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, southern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pleasant View, or 8 miles southwest of Springfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, southern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado would include Gallatin, Springfield, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Pleasant View, Orlinda, and Cottontown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 99 and 118. Interstate 24 between mile markers 24 and 36. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. 25 between mile markers 99 and 118. Interstate 24 between mile markers 24 and 36. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
I do believe we just got Davidson, Tennessee. Oh my God. Just as I said, there's an ETVS in Davidson County, Tennessee. Nashville goes ahead and issues it for Northern Davidson. And by the way, Bubble Buggy, did you also catch that?
I think so, yeah.
Both. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Just perfect.
Stay away from
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:20 p.m. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Central Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee until 10:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Cottontown, Bethpage, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Third tornado warning for Sumner, Trousdale, and Wilson, Tennessee. Yep, right there. Sumner, Trousdale, and Wilson. Still enjoying the captures, Fuzzy Buzzy?
I had my headphones plugged in for half the fucking alert. I am the dumb. I am the dumb.
Nah, you're not. Everyone makes mistakes.
Oh, there's a in Florida. How about that?
What?
TOR for Walton in Florida.
Yeah. Well then. Okay then. Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Central Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Maury County in Middle Tennessee.
What about smelly feet? And smelly feet, they're saying in a new article, could it be a weapon against malaria? Now, if you've never...
Damage to zone include Gordonsburg, Kent, and Pleasantville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, hi. Hello, Mr. Stinkbug. Way to interrupt my EAS capture, eh? What do you got to say for yourself? You just hear something buzzing around my head, and no, it wasn't you. It was just going like, look up there as it is. But anyways. Oh. Another one. No
Homes
TOR.
will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Brumfield, Belltown, Parksville, Forkland, Poplar Corner, Hale Easton, Calvary, Michelsburg, and Simstown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Spending over 50%.
That was a Kentucky warning this time from Louisville. NWS Louisville. Finally, WHAS is coming clear. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Centerville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbia, Centerville, Santa Fe, Gordonsburg, Hampshire, Williamsport, and Prim Springs. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
God and aliens. They're no. What you.
Damn, 8 TORs.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a warning for northern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, western Sumner County in Middle Tennessee.
The Wall Street Journal is reporting that Amazon has made its decision on where it will build its second headquarters. It's a split decision, reportedly deciding to build in the borough of Queens in New York City.
And again,
Encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Another Davidson alert. This time it's a flash flood warning instead of a tornado warning. Miss Radioactive Girl 00, you are about to witness your first DXing alert because Nashville just issued a tornado warning for Hickman, Maury, and Williamson, Tennessee.
Northern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Western Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. 11:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles east of Centerville, or near Duck River, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Thompson Station, Santa Fe, Williamsport, Prim Springs, Leapers Fork, and Natchez Trace at Highway 96. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 53 and 60. Interstate 840 between mile markers 10 and 31. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
That was 650 WSM AM all the way out in Nashville, Tennessee. The other Davidson, not Davidson, North Carolina, the other Davidson, Tennessee. You just witnessed me DX for a tornado warning. So, how do you like that, Miss Radioactive?
That was fun.
Oh God, that was a devious laugh. I wonder what you did that for. Radio.
Oh God.
What did you do that for?
I don't know. I'm just eating my radioactive popcorn, so.
Well, enjoy turning into Miss Radioactive in the long run.
Okay. Oh yeah, here you can see me now. Wait a minute!
I'm pretty sure you do not want to do that in the middle of my video, okay? Because you don't want to do No, you do not want to do an accidental face reveal like EAS Alert 88 did on NorCal Dude 599's live stream, okay? His birthday live stream. I'm pretty sure you do not want to do an accidental face reveal like EAS Alert 88 did on Javier's live stream, okay?
That was really fast. Did you,
And to this day, I still did not know that EAS Alert 88 had long hair like Jesus.
Oh God.
The AM WSM.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:31 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Pleasant, or 12 miles southwest of Columbia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Marshall and southeastern Maury counties, including the following locations: Interstate 65 east of Columbia and Culleoka. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 34 and 52. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of...
It's on the other station, WLAC.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing Thompson Station for 8 miles south of Franklin, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Interstate 840 between mile markers 25 and 44. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Interstate 840 between mile markers 25 and 44. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Some disaster this winter is coming, you said. So sickness, December, yes.
Sorry, could you ask the question?
What is the disruption in sickness or in...
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nolensville, or 10 miles east of Franklin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Lebanon, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vergne, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Eagleville, Las Casas, Trione, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, and Gladeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 239 and 244. Interstate 24 between mile markers 59 and 84. Interstate 840 between mile markers 38 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
They issued another SVR for Rutherford County, but they won't relay that because they already relayed this tornado possible SVR with 70 miles per hour wind gusts for Davidson County. So there's that. Tornado warning for Rutherford.
Ronnie Milstat joined us Thursday's Coffee Country and Cody.
Rutherford, if you are watching this, tornado warning for you. The Rutherford WX.
The National Weather Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, east central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee,
Central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until 12:30 a.m. Windows and vehicles will occur.
That's another tornado warning. Oh my God. There's two now. What's going on in Gwess?
Interstate 840 between mile markers 40 and 51. In between
oh my God.
and 63. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home
oh my God.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Rutherford, if you're watching this part, even though the tornado warning will be over by the time this video is uploaded, get you and your family and your rarest weather radios in the basement now. Oh my God, another tornado warning for Giles and Lawrence. 3 tornado warnings issued in a row by Nashville. But they won't relay this one because that's too far. 3 tornado warnings. 3 tornado warnings issued in a row by Nashville. All 1 minute apart. New tornado warning.
But he deserved a better tear, and I was not quite ready. So we took his ashes out to sea, poured them off.
Convenience, security, and true peace of
Everything we'd learned.
AM on Talk Radio 1510, WLAP.
And welcome back to Coast with us.
Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cannon County in Middle. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include located near Walter Hill, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Las Gases and Milton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 73 and 80. Interstate 840 between mile markers 52 and 66. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 73 and 80. Interstate 840 between mile markers 52 and 66. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Good Lord.
All right.
Oh, sorry.
All right. So, okay, guys. So here's the deal. Okay. Here's the deal. Nashville issued another tornado warning for Rutherford County. Murfreesboro is under 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 tornado warnings. I'm currently on a call with the Rutherford WX as I speak. He is in the basement with his family. And his weather radio. Well, one of many weather radios he owns, but still, that's besides the point. He is in the basement. He is in the basement right now.
I got the version 2, I got the W301, I got the version 1300 down here with me.
He will hopefully be safe, because he is taking the proper precautions. I'm just on a call with him to make sure he's okay. Rutherford. T.O.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 11 miles south of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Murfreesboro around 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Woodbury around 12:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Las Casas, Christiana, Rockville, Bradyville, Milton, Fosterville, and Rowdyville. To a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my God. Please be safe, dude.
I'm safe. I'm here. Just the internet.
Dude, I just caught that. I just caught that TOR for your county.
Oh Lord. Wait, did they relay it over the KIG 79?
No, they relayed it over. I caught it through WLAC 1510 and WSM 650.
Okay.
A tornado-producing storm.
Oh, tornado warning.
A new tornado warning. Gonna get this on 650 and 1510.
All-nighter. There's no time like the present in making your holiday shopping simple.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, east central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Smithville, Woodbury, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Liberty, Auburntown, Center Hill Lake, Las Casas, Edgar Evans State Park, Milton, and Nattyville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 264 and 266. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Evans State Park, Milton, and Nattyville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 264 and 266. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Okay. Here's a coincidence. This same exact event, Clay, you can back me up on this. You were in a call with me.
Yeah.
You can back me up on this. This event happened last year in November, 5 days before this, and a 21 got issued in my county. 1 minute later, confirmed tornado was on the ground.
Oh, lovely.
So,
Hey.
Same thing happened, but this time there was a PDS involved.
Hey, just watch Nashville. Just watch Nashville make that a TOR.
What is it? Issued a TORE?
I feel like they just issue these regular TORs and then like a minute later, oh, it's TORR.
Oh, it's confirmed. Well, you're just gonna put that number like a.
We're just gonna issue.